Are these incidents mere coincidences, or is there something more sinister at play? Over the next 2 hours we will explore the disappearances, the myths, and the science behind this enigmatic stretch of ocean, and uncover the truth behind the Bermuda Triangle. The term Bermuda Triangle was first popularized in 1964 by journalist Vincent Gaddis, who wrote about the mysterious vanishings occurring in these waters. But the stories go back much further, even to the time of Christopher Columbus. Columbus recorded strange compass readings and unexplained lights dancing on the horizon. His crew spoke of eerie phenomena, fear creeping into their voices as they sailed through what would later be called the Devil's Triangle. Columbus may have encountered what we now understand as natural phenomena, underwater volcanic activity or atmospheric distortions, but at the time these sightings fueled the legend of an otherworldly force within these waters. Over the past century, countless ships and planes have disappeared within the Bermuda Triangle, many without a single distress call. Let's explore some of the most chilling cases. The USS Cyclops, 1918. The Vanishing Giant, March 1918. The USS Cyclops, a massive naval vessel carrying over 300 men and thousands of tons of manganese ore, set sail from Barbados. It was supposed to reach Baltimore, but it never did. The ship was last seen near the Bermuda Triangle. No distress signals, no wreckage, nothing. It was as if it had been swallowed by the sea.
Some suggest a rogue wave or enemy attack, but no wreckage has ever been found, and the Cyclops remains one of the greatest maritime mysteries of all time.
Flight 19, 1945. The Lost Squadron. December 5, 1945. 5 Avenger bombers, known as Flight 19, took off from Florida for a routine training mission. Hours later, their transmissions became frantic.
Something's wrong. Everything looks strange. We're not sure where we are.
Soon the planes vanished from radar, a search and rescue plane was sent, and it too disappeared. No bodies, no wreckage, nothing. Disorientation, sudden weather changes, and fuel exhaustion could explain what happened. But the sheer number of aircraft lost without a trace, that's what makes this case so haunting. Over the years, countless theories have emerged. For centuries, the Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, has held its reputation as one of the world's most puzzling locations. This vast stretch of ocean, covering approximately 500,000 square miles between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has been the stage for countless disappearances of ships, planes, and even entire crews. The question remains, what is happening inside the Bermuda Triangle? In this chapter, we will explore the most compelling theories, from scientific explanations to supernatural claims, each attempting to unravel the enigma of this watery graveyard. The official explanation, the rational perspective. Many skeptics argue that the Bermuda Triangle is not special at all, that the number of disappearances is no greater than in any other heavily traveled region of the ocean. U.S. government and scientific reports. According to NOAA, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, there is no evidence to suggest that mysterious forces are at work. The U.S. Coast Guard has dismissed the Bermuda Triangle as a myth, fueled by sensationalism. The Lloyd's of London Insurance Company, which tracks shipping accidents worldwide, reports that the Bermuda Triangle does not have an abnormally high number of incidents. So, is it just bad weather, human error, and mechanical failure? Or is there something more? The magnetic anomaly theory, distortions in Earth's energy. One of the earliest theories about the Bermuda Triangle suggests that the region experiences strange magnetic disturbances, powerful enough to interfere with navigation systems. Earth's magnetic field and compass variations. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align perfectly, causing compass malfunctions. Pilots and sailors have reported their compasses spinning wildly or pointing in the wrong direction. Could fluctuations in the Earth's geomagnetic field be pulling ships and planes off course? Scientists argue that magnetic anomalies are not strong enough to cause major disruptions. Modern GPS systems should eliminate the risk of getting lost. Yet disappearances continue to this day. The rogue wave theory, walls of water from nowhere. What if the culprit isn't the sky but the sea itself? Rogue waves, also known as freak waves, are sudden, towering walls of water capable of swallowing even the largest ships in an instant. Scientific evidence of rogue waves. Satellite data confirms that rogue waves over 100 feet high can form in the open ocean. The Gulf Stream in the Bermuda Triangle is a fast-moving ocean current that can intensify these waves, Could these massive waves be sinking ships before they even have time to send a distress signal? The methane gas explosion theory, underwater bombs. Could the Bermuda Triangle be experiencing natural underwater explosions? Methane hydrates in the ocean floor. Large deposits of methane gas are trapped under the seafloor. If released, methane bubbles could reduce water density, causing ships to sink instantly. Airplane engines could also ignite the gas, leading to mid-air explosions. Has it ever happened before? In 2015, Russian scientists found evidence that methane bursts might have caused mysterious sinkings in the Arctic Ocean. Could a similar phenomenon be occurring in the Bermuda Triangle? The weather phenomenon theory, superstorms, and air bombs. With its location near the equator, the Bermuda Triangle is a hotspot for violent weather, hurricanes and sudden storms. The region experiences frequent hurricanes, tropical storms, and waterspouts, tornadoes over water. Sudden microbursts, powerful downward bursts of wind, could push planes straight into the ocean. Hexagonal clouds and air bombs. Scientists discovered hexagonal cloud formations over the Bermuda Triangle using satellite imagery. These formations can produce winds up to 170 miles per hour, similar to air bombs that could knock aircraft out of the sky. The supernatural theories, paranormal possibilities. The Bermuda Triangle has long been associated with ghost ships, time warps, and extraterrestrial encounters. Lost civilization of Atlantis. Some believe that Atlantis, the legendary lost city, is buried beneath the Bermuda Triangle. Could ancient energy crystals from Atlantis be interfering with navigation systems? Pilots have reported seeing strange clouds and losing time inside the Bermuda Triangle. Some suggest that the area is a portal to another dimension. Could a time rift or wormhole be swallowing ships and planes, alien abductions and UFO sightings? The US military has declassified UFO reports, some of which occurred near the Bermuda Triangle. Could extraterrestrials be abducting people from the area? The human error theory, the simplest explanation. Could the Bermuda Triangle mystery simply be a case of human mistakes, navigation errors, and psychological factors? Early explorers like Christopher Columbus reported seeing strange lights, but was it just optical illusions? Pilots and sailors have panicked in bad weather, leading to fatal decisions. Some cases, like Flight 19 in 1945, involve pilots flying far off course before vanishing. The myth versus reality debate. Some missing vessels were later found outside the Bermuda Triangle, proving they were never lost inside it. Many mysterious disappearances never actually happened, they were exaggerated in books and media. Many experts argue that the Bermuda Triangle is no more mysterious than any other part of the ocean. Data shows that disappearances here are not statistically higher than in other heavily traveled waters.
The Bermuda Triangle has been sensationalized by media and folklore. In reality, navigational errors, weather, and human factors explain most incidents.
Despite its dark reputation, the Bermuda Triangle remains one of the busiest shipping and air travel routes in the world. Advanced technology, GPS, and better forecasting have reduced the risks, yet the legend lives on.
Fact or fiction, the Bermuda Triangle continues to capture the world's imagination. Whether a real danger or a myth born of human error and fear, one thing is certain: it remains one of the most enduring mysteries of the modern world.